Good afternoon, this is Elliot at Kingsbridge Automotive. Today we're having a look round our very special Bentley Continental. This Continental is finished in the special anthracite paint. This is an option that costs somebody upwards of £22,000.
How much?
That's right, Reese, how bloody much. The car is sat on the 22-inch gloss black alloys that work really well with the anthracite paint. These are part of the black line specification. That was an upgrade carried out by Bentley themselves, as well as the alloys, the little winglets, the emblems, and the grille were all part of this upgrade. I think it was, I want to say £3,000. But yeah, it really is one of the cleanest examples I've ever seen. In such a timeless shape. All right, let's have a look inside. I mean, come on. It is, well, it's palatial, isn't it? Deep pile mats, I do get excited about a deep pile mat. Contrast stitching. Diamond in diamond embroidery everywhere. Look at that. And the Bentley emblems, of course. I believe those bits are part of the Mulliner driving specification, if I'm not mistaken. An option worth just shy of £10,000. Right, let's have a look. What else we got going on in here then? So, we've got the touring specification. That gets us the head-up display and adaptive cruise. Very nice. Front seat comfort. So that includes things like the heated and ventilated seats, heated armrests. So that. Heated neck warmer as well, I think. Don't quote me on that one, actually. I might have just made that one up. Maybe it doesn't include that. And massage functions. Oh yes. What else have we got? So we've got the city specification as well. So that gets us the 360 cams. If we have a look at that. Lovely jubbly. Traffic sign recognition. Etc, etc. Special Bang & Olufsen sound system. This is not just ripped out of an Audi and put into the Bentley. Again, a very expensive option at around £5,000. You name it, this beast has probably got it. It is unbelievable. I think the options come to somewhere in the region of £60,000. What a thing. with a full Bentley service history and everything book pack related present. Yeah, this beauty wants for absolutely nothing. Give us a call on 01138 702 300 if you have any further questions on our Bentley Continental, or would like to book a viewing or need some finance figures. Thank you very much for watching.